In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add clickable link in TikTok Story. This allows creators and businesses to drive traffic directly to external content, such as websites, online stores, or promotional pages. To do this, simply copy any website link to your clipboard. Now head to TikTok. On your profile page, tap right here to add story. Now you want to choose any photo or video of your own choice. Here, tap onto this sticker icon. Now in the search bar, search for link. You will see the link sticker. Head to it. Now paste in your link right here. Then down below, customize your link name. Just put in something that will make a view out there to click on your link. Now once everything is set, tap on Done to save changes. Your link will come out like this. Now you can go ahead and add in any sound or song to make the post more and more engaging. Once done, tap right here on your story to upload the post to public. Now for whoever tap onto the shared link, it directly takes them to your preferred landing page. Well, that's how easy it is to add clickable link in TikTok Story. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.